I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you're as busy as me running around, you're gonna make a mess from time to time.
This CRAFTSMAN 2.5 gallon dry vac is so nice to have on hand. It's so small and compact, so it's easy to just take it wherever you need it. As long as you have an extension cord, clean under the hood of your car, clean inside your car, on the floor, on the seats. It has such a strong suction. It can even go into small, hard to reach areas in your car, and it is very good if you're doing projects inside the garage that are going to make a big mess. It has the two attachments, the wide attachment where you can just pick up a lot at one time, and then the narrow nose nozzle that's going to get into, again, tight, hard to reach areas, but you can make sure you clean up as best as you can. No matter how hard you work, you are not going to leave a horrible mess. It's very easy to open and to clean. You can just dump the bucket and then shake the filter out. You can actually take the filter off. Then you could use it as a wet vac. But if you want to use it as a dry vac, you just put that bag on. The cord goes around so easily, and so does the hose. The attachments are so easy to access, and it is extremely easy to store.
So I just love how small, compact it is, but is truly a powerful vacuum that can really help you with any mess or any grime you run into. And that's my point of view.